Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about having a busy and productive morning. My alarm rings at 6:30 a.m. I open my eyes and stretch my arms. For a moment, I feel sleepy, but I know I have many things to do. So I get out of bed and start my day. First, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth and comb my hair. I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink coffee and sometimes I choose tea. While I eat, I check the news on my phone. I look at my schedule for the day. After breakfast, I get dressed. I make sure everything is ready. I pack my bag and take my keys. The morning feels busy, but I feel motivated. A good start makes the whole day better. Now I will say some sentences. This is a great way to practice and learn. Please repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wash my face. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I get dressed. I get dressed. I pack my bag and take my keys. I pack my bag and take my keys. My morning is busy but good. My morning is busy but good. Excellent effort today. Practice daily and you will see great improvement. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. See you in the next lesson.